Hello everyone, we will show you the application of JYD-760H ultrasonic generator in industrial ultrasonic cleaner. The industrial ultrasonic cleaning machine mainly consists of 4 parts: cleaning tank, shell, ultrasonic generator, and ultrasonic transducer. The ultrasonic generator converts electrical energy into mechanical energy, generates high-frequency vibrations, and spreads them to the cleaning tank, so that items are cleaned without blind spots. Under the impact of ultrasonic waves, dirt, particles, etc., attached to the surface of the object are gradually peeled off, achieve efficient and clean cleaning. It is widely used in the electronics industry, electroplating industry, hardware industry, auto parts industry, and medical laboratories, etc. Learn more, please follow me.